Okay, so we are now at the pier, and over here they have the fishermen come every morning with fresh fish, and you can buy fresh fish over there. And then there's a kitchen next to it where you can have those fish freshly cooked. It's not too expensive, and to buy fish with the cooking and everything is about between 7 to 10 euros.
10 euros.
But for a nice piece of fish, and we are going to try it out, but later on, because now it's too early to eat lunch. Now,
Wow, there are people over there.
now I don't know if you can see over there, but I think this is one of the places where they shot parts of Game of Thrones.
Yeah, it looks like.
It looks very Game of Thrones-y, and I wouldn't be surprised if they did shoot part of the scenes here, over there. And okay, so a lot of people trying to sell stuff, but they are definitely not aggressive.
No, they're actually it's kind of nice.
Yeah.
After Marrakesh, it's such a relief.
Yeah, and the thing is that in Marrakesh, because they were so aggressive, we didn't buy anything.
Yeah.
We hadn't bought anything, and here, second day, and we already bought a nice wooden box. But this is the place where they make it, handmade by the person who made it.
Yes.
And some of you may say, oh yeah, he told you that he made it and everything, but no, he showed us pictures of him making it.
Of him working, yes.
Of him working on it. So we're quite happy. And if we'll buy something, another wood thing, we'll go back to the same guy, I think.
To the same guy, yeah.
Yes. Okay, so let's try and show you this Game of Thrones place a bit closer.
It's just amazing.
You can smell the sea here, the ocean.
Yeah,
Sorry, the ocean,
the ocean. The ocean.
This is not the sea, this is the Atlantic Ocean.
It's
really
you
strong.
You can smell the salt.
You can smell the salt, the humidity,
Wow,
we have
I
this-
definitely want a picture of that.
the seagulls. Very fat seagulls. So guys, if you do recognize any of this landscape from Game of Thrones, please write in the comments below which scene, which episode, or maybe we're totally off track and this didn't appear in Game of Thrones at all, but it does feel like it did. Okay, so I'll give you a little panoramic view of this area, and we'll see you at our next destination, right?
Well, we still have to walk the market because
Oh yeah, the Medina, of course, we're going to show the
it's
Medina.
like never ending.
So listen, we almost didn't come to this town, and if you're in Morocco, don't miss it. Please, don't miss it. It is off the beaten track, even though it does look like it's becoming more and more popular. It's
Yeah.
called
Assaouri?
Assouria.
We are gonna write it right.
We'll write the
so-
name anyway, and definitely worth visiting. The people here are nice, not aggressive. Many people trying to sell sunglasses for some reason. I don't wear sunglasses, and Natalie already has her sunglasses, so we're good.
Huge.
Yeah, okay.
Wow, it is. I can't remember where, but I'm sure Game of Thrones was
I'm also sure.
selling here.
I'm also certain. By the way, if you want to drink orange juice for 7 dinar, this is the place. For
Yes.
7 dinar, they have orange juice here, fresh orange juice, because inside the Old Medina, it's more around 15.
Yeah.
It's more around 15.
Yeah.
So over here, you have fresh orange juice, and if you want pomegranate, it's about 10, and
And-
anything else will be about
And
10.
those are the tents where
Yeah.
you choose the fish. There are
And they
a
cook
lot
it.
of them.
There are a lot of, especially at this hour, because the fishermen just came. Now we're going to look for the blue boats. This place is known for its blue boats,
Yes.
and
So I think
just
we
like
have to go.
Chef Shuan is known for its blue
Blue
houses and
and-
buildings, this place is known for its blue boats, and we're going to try and find them. If we find them, we'll show them to you.
Yes.
Okay, so we'll see you later.
Yeah. See you soon.
See you soon. Okay, so we found a few blue boats.
And and the fish market apparently.
Yes, so we'll walk in. I love boats.
This thing,
I love boats.
This thing looks heavy.
Yes, it is, and it doesn't look comfortable at all.
No.
So this one is Daura. This one is Zahira. Each boat has a name. Zahira is nice. I like Zahira, especially because I can say the name Zahira. So
And
this
there
is
are
Zahira.
women men.
They are
With-
women's
with-
names,
with
yes.
women's
But I
names.
think all
Women
ships and boats have womenens' names, no?
Yes.
Right?
Yes, they do.
The Santa Maria, the Pinta. Right? Okay,
Look
and
at
here
the
are the fishermen with fresh fish. The seagulls are going insane. Okay guys, if you don't like the smell of fish and the smell of the sea, this is not the place for you. But if you do, this is amazing. And here are the blue boats. Here we go. We found the blue boats. And this is a selfie spot. The blue boats with the Game of Thrones kind of thing. Okay, there are people up there on the tower, but since we are with a stroller, I don't think we'll go up there. But we are going to go close to see what's what, and if it is possible to go up there with the stroller, then we will. But I really don't think so. What more, I have a little fear of heights, so we'll see. We'll see. We'll try to go up, but it seems, well, we'll see how it goes.
Maybe I will go up
Yeah.
and you will stay
Okay,
down with
I think,
a stroller.
yeah, that can be a good idea actually. So maybe Natalie will give you a tour of the tower. And again, this is a bit closer look outfit. Tell me if anybody recognizes this from Game of Thrones, please let us
Yes,
know.
please let us know because it's killing us. And also maybe Pirates of the Caribbean?
Maybe Pirates of the Caribbean. Yeah. Anyway, Disney is going to come here at some point.
They're very no engine?
No,
Okay.
I don't see an engine.
Old school.
Very old school.
Maybe that's why they're so heavy because the waves are kind of.
Okay guys, so we'll see you closer to the tower, and hopefully Natalie will be brave enough to go up and she'll show you what's going on from above. I don't think I'll join that
No?
trek. No.
Come on.
Okay, so we'll see you later.